Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and this is Aman here. Today I'm going to do the review is about Traffic Beast. Okay, so basically the Traffic Beast is a cloud-based app so which has a many tutorial. As you can see here right now I'm in the members area of the Traffic Beast. Okay, and so it is focused on how to get the free traffic. Okay, this Traffic Beast member area, as you can see here. So these all the main purpose is how to get that traffic. Okay, so there are many tutorials here, and there is I'll come back to this members area to just show you the demo. But let's go to my see what's the Traffic Beast. Okay, so this is the Traffic Beast in is a brand new first to market app plus system for 2021. In the next 60 seconds, it will 100% done for your super affiliate system with free buyer traffic from 800 plus million visitors. Okay, so this Traffic Beast is launched on May 13. So it has a basically 200 plus traffic source from one single platform. Software create automated money link, blast your link to all traffic sources at the same time. It generate the commissions from multiple high converting offers and pre-approved for everything. 100% done for you traffic plus commission system and completely beginner friendly. Zero technical skills required and zero maintenance required, proven results, world-class training included. Again, if this sound is something interested to you, then just then this is a the right software for you. Okay, which will mean basically will attract you to get more traffic. So because in this is traffic is everything. Okay, if you have a good quality traffic, then you have a good business. So if you're interested, then I'm giving you the bonuses. So these bonuses will be available for only the person who will be picking this Traffic Beast by my link, which is given below in the description below. So the first, the bonus is the Nova. So Nova, it is access Nova full funnel. This is only first 12 hours only. So I'll just show you that this is the Nova software. This is done by the Jono Armstrong. So this is basically a plugin. Okay, so let me see. Oh, it's okay. So the access the Nova full funnel. So Nova is basically the plugin Chrome extension, which will show you that how to download and installing the TikTok and Instagram extension to attract more traffic to your offer. Okay, so it basically is a massive value. So the bonus number 2, which is how to track the 40 high quality lead magnets to build your list. Okay, so in this the Jono has created the list of high quality bonuses to use to build your list. Okay, so you can keep this as a intensive for the people who is buying your product. In bonus number 3, which is 5 email marketing tips for higher conversion. So in this there is a tutorial in which the Jono shows a couple of awesome tips that he used in his emailing on daily basis. Okay, so which basically helped him to increase his click rate up to by 6%. And then bonus number 4, lazy traffic snipers. This is the access lazy traffic sniper. This is the software or the training step by step which was launched 2 weeks back. So in this inside this is inside this training that they talks about basically about how to get the free traffic. Okay, it talks about how to track the high quality traffic from a Quora, talks about the different steps and training courses how to get the traffics. Okay, so as you can see here, I'm in the members area of the lazy traffic sniper. There is introduction, getting started, contents, and all the things here is explained in here the step by step here. on your left hand sides. Okay, so this is very good. So again, the bonus number 5, there is a access all vendor bonuses. Again, if something this you like it or it's appealing to you, then you can just click here. Either click here to secure your copy, or you can click below the link below in the YouTube description. So again, let's go to the members area now. So okay, this is, as you can see here, the traffic based members area. In your right hand side, there is a level, purchase membership level. There is a different level here given, and in the left hand side is a dashboard tutorial, your campaign, done for you, bonuses. Okay, so if you will, this is a dashboard here right now. So as you can see here, there is a welcome video is given, and then if you will click here, the second one is tutorial. There are sorry guys, this is my throat. So in the, here is a tutorial is given. In this page you will find the range of tutorial videos to help you to get the most out of traffic based. Okay, so as you can see here, there is a different tutorial is given about the traffic based overview, how to do setup, and how to get your affiliate links, integration. But the integration, there is all the tutorial is given here. If you will click here, and there is a my profile and integration, so you can use the traffic based to integrate with your eWrapper, get response. So these all with whom you can just integrate it. Okay, so again, here is a tutorial, and if you want to sign out, you can just click here for the sign out. So again, next, if you will go next to your campaign, so these all here done for you. So these all are the campaign titles, which is already is done for you here. So here, if you want to view, click here, edit and delete. If you want to create new campaign for you, you can just click here to create new campaign. Done for you bonuses here. As you can see here, there's a different bonuses which is already done for you. 100 CPA daily, 300, 500 commission profit hack. Again, if you want to view, edit or delete, you can use click here. Free traffic, social images, Video Plus database, they have shown here the free traffic. Okay, here they have shown some different software which you can use to, which will help you to get the free traffic. Okay, please watch this video first. Then step 4 for the free traffic, how to activate the free traffic app. First you have to be registered. Then step 2 is a viral news checker plus 2 traffic machine, and step 3 to activate more traffic. Okay, so then again they have just explained here. So click here to submit the form for traffic. Then step 5 is download your bonuses here. Okay, so again, if you will click here, then here is some upgrade, and here is if you need any help for your setup, or for how to get your free traffic, or any kind of help, you can click here. So again, let's go to see the price. So the price for the traffic based, it is $17. Okay, so in $17 you can access these all training which have shown you in the members area, access the powerful traffic piece software and training modules, and plus you can access this all my custom made free bonuses which is available for the person who is picking the traffic piece through my link, which is below in the YouTube description. Okay, here, and plus there is the vendor bonuses too. And the next one is OTO 1, which is for $67 to $37. This is for unlimited version. OTO 2 is all done for you, and which is for 97, but downsell is 47. And OTO 3 is unlimited traffic, again for 97 but down to 47. And OTO 4, it is automation. Okay, so for 67 but it is down to 37. Audio 5 is ATM, is again 197 price but is down to 47. and upsell 6 is ultimate, and which is for 197 but is down to 47. And again OTO 7 is licensed right, which is for $37. Let's see the sales page. So this is the sales page here for traffic based. So the traffic based, this is a video link here for the sales video, and here is all what this traffic based is having inside. Is a free buy traffic, tap into secret source of 800 million affiliate buyers, 100% done for you. This is for beginners, brand new for 2021. You can work from home, you can achieve the financial freedom, you can quit your job, stop failing, and finally break through. No monthly fees. Okay, so again, if you decided to pick this one, then you can, when you will click here anywhere, then this page will bring you here. Then you will click here on to get instant access, and then you can buy it. Okay, then this will take you to the Warrior Plus. Okay, and so Warrior Plus, this another page will open, from where here's a green button after pay you can access your purchase, and the blue button to access your affiliate bonuses. So again, this is the sales page. I'm not going through all the sales pages, go and read. And there's some testimonial and some here more explanation is given for the about the traffic based. Okay, so there is basically lots of information. Here's the introduction. Here again what it does, what the system is done for. Everything you need to change for your success is included. Again, they have just explained here what is inside the traffic based. Again, if you want to buy, you can just click here to get instant access. Okay, so again, traffic base is having a bundle upsell commission, is having a high ticket offer included, is done for you sales. Okay, so that's it. So here they have just explained, this is, as I mentioned in the beginning, this is a cloud-based app. Okay, you don't have to be install or download anything. So all it has the best training, beginner friendly. So these are all testimonial. Again, talks about the traffic based. Oh yeah, here. So if, the vendor bonuses is bonus number one, which is for $1,000 daily commission system. They are giving you a free bonus number two. Your first sale is in 60 seconds. Okay, which is for value number 997. Bonus number three, which is for 225 daily instant affiliate check. Okay, and then bonus number four, which is for 500,000 online blueprint. So again, guys, specially exclusive for the first 100 customers only. So these are the another bonus. This bonus alone will literally can change your life. Okay, again, I'm not going to be read all, just go through with this. And this is again the another income proof. And here right now, if you have two choices, either you can ignore or get the traffic. The main important thing is 100% free traffic, free access. So if due to any reason you have 180 days money back guarantee, if due to any reason you're not satisfied, or you think no, this is not for you or something, then you can just you have your 100% money back guarantees. Okay, guys, that's it. So this was basically for traffic based review, and thank you so much for watching my review. If you like this video, click the below for the like, comment, and subscribes to my channel. And thank you so much for watching your review, and I appreciate your time. I'll see you next time. Bye.